Hey guys, I'm so sorry. I haven't made a video in such a long time. It's been so busy with school the past few weeks, but today I wanted to teach you guys how to use a singing bowl. Okay, so first of all, this is what a singing bowl looks like. And so yeah, singing bowls are like kind of a form of meditation, and the sound from it causes your brain to go into theta wave frequencies, which then like stimulates your whole mind to go into deep states like peace, clarity, and intuition. All right, let's get the singing bowl. Alright, so first of all, to hold the singing bowl, you just hold it in your palm like this. And there's usually two different mallets, like a thinner one, and this has a louder noise like this. And then there's also one that has a softer noise because it has more like cushion around it. So like as you're using this, you'll like circle around the bowl with your mallet, and it'll start creating like a lower vibration, and then as you keep going it'll get louder and louder, and then sometimes it'll make like a clinging noise, and that means you have to slow down a little more, and then but if it's too quiet then that might mean you have to go a little bit more fast. Thank you guys so much for watching, and feel free to comment any more questions you have, and also you can comment any video suggestions I could do this summer. And well, thank you guys so much, and see ya!